Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your search history on YouTube. Very easy guys, very simple. All you gotta do is to click on the lower right corner over here, go on your profile, and then you have to click on the gear icon at the upper right. When you're at your settings of your account, you see there is a small section almost at the middle of the screen. It's called manage all history. You want to click on it, and then you want to click on individual story. First of all, you want to click on saving YouTube history. So you want to make sure that you're okay with what YouTube saves. As you can see, YouTube saves your videos that you watched, your watch history. It saves your search history, okay, and saves your voice and audio activity. If you don't want none of this, you can simply check off all of this. Then if you go back, you will see that the next section is essentially automatic deletion. So you can set YouTube automatically to delete all of your search queries, watch history, essentially everything that YouTube collects every 36 months or 18 months or 3 months. It's all up on you guys. The third option over here is to scroll down and click on this small calendar icon on the center left of the screen. When you click on the calendar, this is where you can actually look for day, month and year, and you can delete everything related to this particular calendar day. Very easy, very simple guys. The last option is simply you can scroll down like that, and you can simply click X on the previous watch history and delete it individual watch history. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.